and the state is requiring us to close, and we don't think it's right.
Should the state leave out schools of worship in their executive order? Brian Broderick thinks so. He's the executive director of the Michigan Association of Nonpublic Schools, which represents schools under the Diocese of Lansing. On Monday, parents in the association filed a lawsuit against the state. Broderick says the state orders infringe on their First Amendment rights, freedom of religion.
We don't think it's proper, and we think we want to have the ability to stay open so that we can form students in their faith.
Members supporting the lawsuit say the extension of state orders confirms the fears the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services will continue to make decisions about closing schools without regard to the efficiency of local COVID-19 school safety plans. Broderick says they've had very few cases of COVID-19.
Diocese of Lansing alone, there's an infection rate that's 1.6% since August. In the Archdiocese of Detroit, that number is 1.1%. We're saying that what we're doing and all the time and effort that our schools have put into preparing to offer in-person education is working.
Broderick says the schools that he represents have spent thousands of dollars to make sure that their schools are as safe as they can be against COVID-19. He says not only is it causing issues practicing their faith, it is also impeding on learning because in-person learning is better for students, according to Broderick.
This issue is just of such monumental importance regarding the ability to provide an in-person education and to provide a religious education that it was necessitated filing this lawsuit.
In Flint, Rachel McCrary, WNEM TV5.